Next up is the upgrade. We'll go to mix.exs and we'll change this from Phoenix LiveView 4.0 to 5.1. Then we'll need to get those dependencies, so mix.deps.get. And now let's see what parts of the app broke. Mix phoenix.server. And you can see we can't import Phoenix LiveView live render because it's undefined or private. So for version 0.4, what we had to do in our web.ex file was a few imports, one in the controller for import Phoenix LiveView controller, one in view, importing a bunch of things, and then in our router, we just imported phoenix.liveview.router. This is actually a really tiny change, makes things easier. Instead of importing all of these individual things that you see there, all we need to do is import phoenix.liveview.helpers. Let's give this another try. And let's try running it. We had everything at the foo route. And hit some keys. It's looking pretty good. Okay, so that really wasn't much of a hard upgrade at all. Unless maybe you ignored my suggestion last time and tried running 0.5.1 last episode and then didn't know that this was the change to make. I really encourage you to just copy exactly the same library versions in the mix.exs that I share while you're going through the tutorial to figure things out. And then, once you understand the material of the tutorial and, whatever the context is, the upgrade's a bit easier.